Students, we are studying the statics, you know that, and the third steps we will study here the means, how to calculate the mean by the by the method of steps deviation methods. In this deviation methods we will understand that's why you will use the deviation method. It is used when the fi xi is larger and xi is in is are equally equally as equally spaced. So we are using the step deviation method. So we have a some process is to calculate its step deviation methods. We will learn the step by step the process, and then with the help of one example we will try to solve the related questions of the step deviation method. So here we will first define here the main process of step deviation methods, and then after we will try to understand that step deviation methods is used when how we will if the question is telling you that so find the mean by the step deviation method, then you will apply the step deviation methods and and finally calculate the questions answer. Okay, so step deviation methods. First, here is third point, step deviation method. Okay, step deviation methods. When the value of psi, when the value of fi and xi are larger and xi have xi space, means that have a xi are equally spaced, equally spaced, then xi are equally spaced, then we use the step deviation method to calculate the mean. Okay, to calculate the mean. This method include below step. Okay, here we will write the steps below step. First steps of the step deviation methods. First we will do choose the suitable value of xi in the middle of the xi column. Okay, xi column as assumed mean, as a assumed mean, and denote it by capital A. Okay, denote it by capital A. Second, we will follow the steps. Calculate the value of h. Calculate the value of h is equal to x is equal to, we will take here first x is equal to x2 minus xi. Okay, h value we will calculate here, x2 minus xi, x2 minus x1, not I. Okay, third point, so we will then further, so we will take the here, so calculate the value of u. Calculate the value of u is equal to xi minus h by dividing it a sorry a by h. Okay, here is the value of u, so we will calculate it by xi minus a upon h for each axi. Okay, third, then fourth steps we will follow here. Fourth step is calculate the value of, we will calculate the value of fi into ui. Okay, calculate the value of fi into a ui for each I, and also and find summation fi into ui. Okay, then we will find the summations, and the fifth steps follow here. Fifth steps, calculate the mean by the formula here. So you will write here the formula x bar is equal to a plus u into summation fi into ui divided by summation fi. This formula we will use for for multiplying its fi xi and calculate the means. Let's have an example. Example is here is that measurement in mm of the diameter of measurement in mm of the diameter of head of 10 screw. Diameter of the head of 10 screw are given. Here is the, so we will write here diameter, means that's diameter in mm xi, diameter in mm, that is xi, and the seconds we will write here the number of the screw, fi. We will make here boxes. Got it? 1 2 3 4 5. Suppose that, so we have taken 5 steps. 34 37, then 34 40 46 41 2 3 4 5 43 46 got it? Let it be 5 steps, 5s, and here is the frequency 3 8 9 11 3 8 9 11 6 3 6 sorry 40 46 34 37 40 43 46, and 10 19 23 sorry 10 19 23, and the next one is 21 and 27. Here is the table given. So with the help of these tables we will try to find out the calculate solutions. Here solutions we will do here calculations. So clearly h is equal to, find the first h is equal to, in a given boxes h we will find out the h is, let's say assume means a is equal to 40, h is equal to 3, because first we will find here. So h we will denote it here x2 minus x1, we will calculate here. So first here is given that xi columns, we will assume this. So assumed a is equal to, in a column say no 40, got it. So h is 3, then we have calculated that. So find the value of h. So first step deviation method is given here. So h is equal to x2 minus x1, because h is equal to x2 minus x1. So h2 minus x1 means that's 34 minus 37 is equal to 3. So h is equal to 3. These are we have done here. Now we will take the steps, means that make the graphs. Here is the graphs, sorry, not a graphs, table. It's a table 1, 2, 3 and 4, got it. So table is given here. And here is xi fi. Here we will calculate here. V u is equal to u, value of u xi minus 40, xi minus 40 by h, got it. So h is given here, so 3, we will write here 3 and calculate here the fi into ui, got it. So one by one, so we will write here. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So first is 34, 37, 40, 43 and 46, and here is the fi 10, 19, 23, 21, 27. So here we will also calculate here. So hi minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1s, and the second is 0, here is 1, here is 2. Calculates by 40. So we will write here fi 2 10 ja 20 minus 20, 19 1 ja 90 minus 90, 23 0 ja 0, and 21 1 ja 21, and sorry, yes, and 27 2 ja 74, got it. So here we will cut here 74, 54, got it. So here we have calculated our tables, make our tables. So find out the means finally. So means is equal to, mean is equal to, we know that u, sorry, h plus u into f1, summation of f1 into a fi into xi upon summation fi. So we will use this formula, summation fi. So 40, it will be 4040, h value is 40 given here. So plus 3 into, we will write here 3 into, here is the 36 by h, sorry, value of here is always be calculated here, because if we see the value, we will find here that its a value will always be given here. So summation fi is equal to 100, and here is the value of 75 minus 39 36. 75 minus 39 is equal to 36. So we have written here 36. So here we will write here 100. So divide by 100. So we will get here 10. So 10.8. So here is 10.8 plus 40. Sorry, is equal to 100 is given here. So is equal to, sorry, 1.08 plus 40 is equal to 41.08. Here is the mean. We have find it in mm. So in mm, answer is here. So here is the calculations, and with the help of the calculations, step by steps we have find out. There is no need to worry about it because it's a very simple. First of all, we know we have to focus on the step by steps deviation method, steps by steps. And if the question is telling you that it's necessary to calculate this one, so calculate it. Otherwise otherwise whatever the questions, according to questions, you have to follow the steps step by steps and solve the questions. Okay, these are the different steps and step deviation methods I have given you as an answer point of view, and calculate all the questions related to it. So okay, thank you very much.